Signal-Guru is on holiday, or it's going to be very soon, and I just want to give you an overview of the market before I go. 113.28 was the high of the day. I would like a little bit higher to find the first resistance. 113.35, 113.40 level would be a good sale or a put option today. And if higher, and 113.15.5 for put option for binary, and you can start to sell forex here also. 113.50, 113.80. A good compromise would be to enter 113.70 with a stop above 113.90. Look at the daily RSI bar chart, that is today. You can see a nice resistance on 113.40. It's a breakout level. If above that, we're looking for resistance 113.80 level, and market has a potential to go this month, this week, but most probably this month, to 114.10. Signal-Guru has to board his plane and we'll be back on September 4. In the meantime, we work on making a better algorithm with more signal. So that's the overview. I'm sending a signal just, you know, as a help for people who want to play the summer rally here. See you September 4.